Hello, Paul here from EMD Motor Sport. Everything is back on this vehicle here. Front bar's back on. We got the horn. We had to wait for the horn. The horn turned up late today, so we finished it late today. The intake tube, I'm gonna go tomorrow and have a look at the actual place, and then hopefully I can grab it and bring it back for Monday. But let's have a listen to the actual horn. It's pretty loud. It's actually a nice, I done a vacuum leak test, water test and all that, spray test. Make sure there's no leak from the actual intake. But if you look at this, much better now. Put the aircon on. Turn the aircon off. It idle much better than before. Idle much better because actually now it's actually going up to because when the car's cold it goes up higher, and then when it gets warmer it comes down to the 650, 700 mark. So just waiting on that. Hopefully I can get it tomorrow so I can finish this car for Monday. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.